I came into the United States September 2018. I came through conditional green card. We married 2017, and I came into the United States 2018. And unfortunately, the marriage wasn't able to, we weren't able to work things out. So we got divorced 2019, which eventually we had a kid. So the first year I got to America, we had a joint tax together. We lived together. We had, for the period of time that we stayed together.
You had the financial relationship for the time you were together.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you had a child together. Is that what you said, right?
Yeah, we have a child. We have a beautiful 3-year-old going 4-year-old girl together. So so
I don't see a problem yet, but tell me what the problem is.
So the problem right now is 2019, 2020, I put in to remove the condition on my green card.
Based on the divorce.
Yeah. So I filed a waiver to be able to do that myself. But 2019, she called the cops on me for, domestic violence, which eventually was dropped. I wasn't charged. Nothing happened. The police actually issued me an apology letter, blah, 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 stuff like that. The problem right now is I filed for my removal. First time I got the 18-month extension, then I got another 24-month extension, which eventually I realized that the same 18 months is what they upgraded to the 24 months. And it's more than 4 years. The last receipt that I had from USCIS was as of August 30th, 2021. We have already scheduled you for an interview for your Form I-75 petition of removal condition. And ever since then, I've not heard anything.
You have a letter saying they're going to schedule you, but they never did. So it's 5-6 years.
Never.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm planning to travel to my home country, for something important. So I was able to get my passport stamped with the USCIS office here in Sacramento, California for another 1 year. So they took my original green card, my expired green card, but they stamped my international passport. Okay. So I'm planning on going for maybe 2-3 weeks max. So I want to know if I'm planning on going this month. So I want to know if that would not have any effect on my what they call it.
Yeah. You can go for 3 weeks. You've been a permanent resident all of these years. You just never removed the conditions. So you're a lawful resident. You can travel like any other lawful resident for 2 to 3 weeks. Instead of traveling with a 10-year green card, you have a temporary stamp in your passport. As long as it says I-551, evidence of lawful residence until X date, whatever the date they put, and you're back before that date.
Extension for 1 year.
Okay.
So the extension I thought is going to lapse for December 2023.
And you're fine. Yeah. You're fine to travel. Now, you've had conditional resident status for more than 5 years. You came here in 2018, right? We're now in 2023.
September.
September when?
September. I came in September 28th, 2018.
Okay. So what I would suggest is July of this year. Go on your trip.
Okay.
3 weeks, perfectly fine. You'll be allowed back. In July of this year, you will be more than 4 years and 9 months of having lawful residence. And what I would suggest in July of this year, if you still have not been scheduled for the I-751 interview, to just file your signature.
Okay. That'll be great.
All right. And then when you go on your citizenship interview, they're going to do both the I-751 interview and the citizenship interview together.
All right. Great. Thank you so much. I appreciate hearing that.
All right. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.